Let's take a moment and learn how to set the clock on Pioneer's DEH-X5800HD. So right now we're on the AM/FM radio source, and this will work from any source. It doesn't matter which one you choose. We're going to press in on the volume control, and I want to roll along here until I find the system menu. Here's the system menu, and we'll press enter. And let's roll along in there until we find clock set. Here's clock set. We'll press enter there. Alright, so right now that opens up and we're on the hours are flashing and we're on 5:19 p.m. As we roll back, you'll see as we change the hours past 12, we change from AM to PM. And so let's make this 10:30 a.m. We'll press enter here to get to the minutes. Roll over until we find 10:30. There we go, 10:30 a.m. When you're done making that adjustment to the clock, you can press the back button and roll over to the next setting, which is our 12 or 24-hour format. Just press in on the volume control to change between those. I like a 12-hour format for my clock, so I'll leave it there. And when you're done making adjustments to the clock, you can press the band button to escape. Now, I don't see the clock on the screen right now, and I'd like to see the clock on the screen. There's a couple of different ways for me to do that. The first is, while I'm on a source like the AM/FM radio right now, I can just press in on the display button, and I can choose what information is displayed. Here, I've chosen to display the clock, and I can change that to back to the frequency information if I want. And there's another way for me to display the clock information. It's right under where it says FM. So to get there, press in on the volume control, and we're going to roll along here until we find the system menu. And let's get into the system menu. We want info display or information display. Now the info display is the information displayed right under the word info. So let's press enter there. And right now that information display is switched off. So we'll roll over. We can have a spectrum analyzer there, a level meter, or we can have the source information, right now is HD radio, or we can have the clock. That's what I want, is the clock, so I'm just going to press the band button to escape. And there I have my clock displayed right underneath the AM/FM radio source. Let's switch the head unit off now completely. So we're gonna press and hold the source button for a couple of seconds. The head unit is now switched off, but I still want to see my clock on the screen. To do that, just touch the display button right here, and the clock will show up on the screen even though I have not switched on a source. To make the clock go away again, just touch the display button again.